Hello, this is Andrina. I'm the author of the book Embody, The Power of Presence in an Age of Distraction. And welcome to day 23 of my live Advent calendar. Now today's video is the last of the three videos where I've been showing you how you can do self-care on a daily basis to help the body really detox itself. And that also helps you become more present through embodiment, because the further you are embodied in your body, the more present you become, the deeper you live from inside out, and it gives you a more grounded approach to life, and it makes you much more feeling of in connection with the world around you. It makes you far more at peace. So today's video is about not using soap. Now I don't know about you, but I was brought up in Kansas, and we would go and we'd buy a bar of soap every day, and if you didn't have a shower twice a day, you thought that you were dirty. And so it was a process of unlearning to realize that I really only needed to have a bath or a shower every 4 or 5 days. And it allowed my natural oils of my skin to start activating themselves so that it helped my skin. I was taught that you have a bath, you rub yourself with soap, and then you put cream on. And I had no connection with my body at all, that the body knew what it's doing. And that actually the body, when it secretes oil, there's a reason it secretes oil, is because as we get older, our bodies get drier. And so we need to find ways to replenish that moisture in the body. And one of the ways is to actually just let the body be. Don't have so many showers. When I wake up in the morning, I don't use soap. I just rinse my face, because in the evening, if I've been wearing makeup, like I've been doing, live Advent calendars, I normally don't wear makeup. I remove the makeup, then I actually use a cleanser. But in the morning, I don't need to have that. I just want to feel refreshed. So I splash my face with water and nothing else. And when I do take a bath, I do something, now this is the latest thing I've discovered, and that's a cleansing oil. So I don't use soap anymore at all. It's actually an oil. It foams a little bit, right? But what you do is that you actually use that to clean your body, but it's an oil. So when you get out of the bath, you'll find that your body is naturally hydrated with this oil. And it has done what soap is supposed to be doing. It actually removes the dirtiness you have, or any smells, or any of the chemicals, etc., etc. It is removed. And I'll share one other thing to you. I learned in India is that in India, what the Indians do is they understand that the body really, really needs oil. So what they do is before they take a shower or a bath, they have like Ayurvedic oils, and they cover the body with oil, and then they take the bath. And so therefore, when you stand up out of the bath, you just pat your body dry, because the heat of the water has helped your skin absorb that oil. And I find that works tremendously. It works far better than just trying to apply oil to the outside of the skin. So try, and if you want to go online, you can find that there's dozens of varieties of. Make sure that there's a difference between a cleansing oil and just a shower, a shower soap, because the shower soap is just a liquid soap. This is an oil which is cleansing, and you'll find that there's lots of different marks. There's more exotic marks, and there's also very standard marks that have no smell, that are also equally good. All I know is that it makes a huge difference to my skin, and that's why I'm sharing it with you. So I hope you find that really helpful, and I'm going to see you tomorrow. So take care.